and game along with the championship. That's when we get to the brackets. Here we go. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone. Lesson 5. So as I do quick math in my head, it looks like we'll be starting those brackets just after 3:30. Just after 3:30, I think. We'll be starting the brackets. Just got a huge lag with the drone in the wall, but it's all good. 40 seconds in, minute 20 still to go. Your leader looks to be Blue Vista. Here he comes around. Blue LEDs through our start-finish gate onto lap number 2 with a 48.3. Off to our right-hand side towards the uprights we go. He's got a huge lead over the rest of the field. We're at the midway point, a minute in, minute still to go. Quick lax onto lap number 2 with a 61.8 on his second lap. Blue Vista got some fans behind him here as he works on lap number 3. The FM Quad Squad behind him. Watching on our live stream. Blue Vista working his way out of that tower over to the dive gate, the far left-hand side of our field. Diesel getting on to lap number 2. There's the ding. It'll be a checker the next time everyone goes through our Collegiate Drone Racing Championship start-finish gate. Looks like we may be shutting down Rusky first. There'll be 2 laps in a minute 19 for quick lax. Personal best, that moves him up into the top 32. That puts him in the number 28 spot by the looks of things. Everyone down, let's retrieve some quads. That'll be your biggest mover. Everyone else, no